Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasrina and today I wanted to share with you an awesome purchase that I've made recently. This is called the Cricut Explore Air 2, and the reason it's 2 is because it's 2 times faster than the previous version. Now this is a cutting machine that lets you cut on various different materials from paper, cardstock to poster boards. And this cost me around $200 on Amazon, and it comes with one black pen, a belay to cut, a manual, and the standard grip mat, and cardstock to make this card right here. Now the reason I bought this machine is because I was getting a little annoyed cutting out stencils using my hand to draw out certain patterns or paint certain patterns, and I thought this would help me make the DIYs faster and easier for it. I'm not going to go into too much detail on how to use this machine, but if you guys are interested, please let me know and leave a comment below and I will try to make a video on how to use it. And right now I want to share with you guys how to make a wall art and how this machine has helped me speed up the process. If you guys are interested, please keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time guys, bye.